Bless up on a nice, clean self. Everybody, bless up on yourself. And I guess I'll tell me which part me there. Guess no? Me there on my throne. And up on my throne, me there talk to you right now. Alright, so one white man linked me up on Instagram. Don't forget to like the video, guys. The people that might text me and I tell me, tell them if you like the video. So may I ask you, please, can you like the video? Please, and thank you very much, you who like the video. I appreciate it. So this white man linked me up on Instagram, right? And say, him appreciate the video. So, you know me do no video, me I wonder which video I talk. So he said the video where me do about the Jamaican woman them. And I shoot me attack. He said him listen to the video and him watch some others of my videos as well. So big up to the white man who inbox me on Instagram. Bless up yourself. You know who you are. If you see that video here, you can, you know, maybe comment or give it a like. So a lot of us don't know what we have when we have a partner. We not put in that effort there and show a partner say we care. The man say him have a Jamaican woman and the nicest woman he ever have. So is a white man say that, you know. So look here now. Wanna make the white man them and take away no woman them. Cause wanna nah play on the role as a black man. Wanna nah play that role in not alone, you know, somehow no. Wanna nah give the woman them what they need. Love and compassion. Wanna need for doing the work. Doing the work. Show the woman them so no day you have to stay. Stop the running up and down with Tom, Dick and Harry. A serious time we living in there now. One night I watch Auntie Dana show. Well, me I watch Auntie Dana live on YouTube. And this girl sent her a message say she have HIV. And others send in message as well. Say them have it. A serious time we living in there now. Nobody no want fear run up and down. And next thing you go to the road, go run the road. And you not protect yourself and carrying them thing here. Come to your partner. You have a good woman and you know in your gut say you have a good woman, but you just can't control yourself and you're out there run up and down. Also, me I watch Kenny. Kenny name? Kenny and Denise. Or Ken and Denise. I don't remember for Kenny. The Jamaican girl with the African guy. And they make me laugh what they are. They make me laugh so bad. It's good to see black couples enjoy them one another. It's hard when you have your partner and you don't treat them with that respect and, you know, dignity, and you're out there run up and down and like woman are done for you, like you have 10, 15 woman. Me hear man a sing but they have 13 woman and all them something. They're like, come on. When AIDS catch you under your nastiness now, you know hear say coded and all that. And if your woman treat for you, when your woman treat for you, it's a big deal. Some man cannot take bun. If them hear say the woman go cheat, no mind sharp them gonna mount a garbage man. But yet you are doing it to your partner. You know, me used to look downtown. When me downtown, 10 story in a one. Me used to look downtown and see how much madman I eat out the garbage man. 100 man to 1 woman. Man are one of the most weakest mentality them is. And them give the most trouble when you come on to cheating. Be unfaithful. Man cannot take bun. But nobody love to give bun like man. Let me tell you something. You see, what you don't like for yourself, don't do it to others. And the man them take time and creep in and take one of Jamaican woman them. The man them from all walks of life because you nah treat them how them supposed to be treated. You find a woman and she can do certain things. And maybe she cannot, because nobody can do everything. She cannot do certain things where you want her to do. if you can do it, just teach her. Teach her. One man to me goodie. One man to me goodie. Lord Jesus, Queenie. You see, let me tell you something in a life. A serious time we live in a serious time. And if we not get we act together, clean sweep. You can imagine you're married to this person and you and them are go to bed every night. And tomorrow then get up and then go sleep with them sweetheart in the day. And you and them just sleeping at the night. What is that? And then when a woman do it now, they might go say, a woman can do what a man do and still be a woman. What that's supposed to mean? What? What do you mean? If you are do it, why me can't do it? But me not do it. The fact of the matter is, when you don't like for yourself, don't do it to others. Because if me do something where you are do, where you know so you can't manage, your brain will go when me do it to you. And me are the kind of person who is very, 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 very spiteful. So you see, if you do me something, maybe plan the way. And you don't have no idea so me I plan it to do your back. As some me used to be, you know, yo. As some me used to be, you know. So me used to be. They make you think of peace and safety. And then just drop a sudden destruction for you. Yeah. So you see me, I'm cool and collective and calm until when you piss me off. So, behave on yourself. And the man them are creeping. And I take one on a good up, nice, good up Jamaican woman them because them know how to do things. And Jamaican woman love them things. But if you not treat them right, then we lock shop on you. Then we lock shop. You see, if you not treat them good, shop open every day. So I don't understand when I run up and down a road I look for when you not have woman in on the bed. What's the difference? What is the difference? When I talk about man shot. Man shot what? So man shot, AIDS no shot. HIV no shot. He out there. And when you not go out there, when you put a rubber power no willy man. Put a rubber power no willy. When you stop spread things and you know if you not have things. Sometimes some of you don't even know so you have things. But still, you don't know if the woman live with her man and have things. You don't know if the man live with the woman and have things. Cover up on yourself, man. And you know say I don't phone a man that. Cover up on your body, man. And you know say I don't phone a woman. And you protect on yourself. But anyways, I know that I come to talk about. I come to talk about the white man. Big up yourself. Yeah. You love your Jamaican man. That make me feel good. Yeah. And people ask me if me would have date out of my Jamaican race. Me can't think of it now, but it's not on my mind. And me no see where me would have. Maybe because me married and me in a relationship with me. Maybe me not try to sneak up or say me would have date that person here and whatever. You know, you have white singers when me really like, but not saying like in a dating world. As you know, oh, you have your artists them, we love Spice. We have your artists them where, you know, your enjoy them. Me not want to use certain word like you praise them now. Me not praise people. But you know you enjoy them performance, you enjoy them personality and stuff for it. So yeah. So artists like Dexter Up and Spice, which is what I love to have next year. You will have me pitney them before I don't know no need for. Let me tell you what I want for my birthday next year. Spice and Dexter Up in one stadium here over Jersey. Wanna give me that for my birthday? Yeah. pay for that for me. I can't pay for that. I want for money. I think spice about 40,000. You see how much story me are talking about one. But what did I say? I forgot what I say. Lose my thoughts. Because me get enjoy. Me get excited about talking about the artists that women like. And as me say, I have artists, right? Remember, I have artists women like. But like for date them, me not think so. Maybe because me in a committed relationship, me never yet think like, oh, me would have date a white guy. It never dawned on me to want to date a white guy or somebody out of my race. Me love my Jamaican man, them I know. Me really do. Me love them. The thing is, in every culture you have good and bad, and it don't work for everybody. It don't work for everybody, so you have to look for what you want and where make you happy. So I don't blame anybody for look for them happiness anywhere it is. Go find it, because sometimes you date 9, 10, 15 Jamaican man and none of them no work out. You date one, it no work out, and you feel like you want to change to something else. Me no blame nobody. Me see them bash Serena Williams because she got married white guy. Me see them bash so much black celebrities because they married to white people and them want them to stay in it. Then if them not happy, what they must stuck in it for? What they must stay in there for? You know the amount of black man with Serena date? The amount of black man when me see them put pan social media say she date all of them Monday, and none of them never married to her, and one white man when she date. Me never see them post no other white man. Think he was the white only one. And see there, she married and have a child. She married and have a child with him. So sometimes one for you and not for me, and one for me and not for you. So you gotta look for what make you happy. Look for what make your happiness is the key to your life. You understand? You might love my culture, and one of the main things, sometimes me I talk to other nations and them not even understand what me I say. Sometimes me I laugh after myself, you know, because they don't understand what me I say. And me can't bother with it, repeating myself, because you know me talk patois, racha patois. And then even sometimes some people reach out to me on Instagram and say, you talk patois, me not understand what you are saying. Well, me can't bother, because when me try to speak English, me still mix up patois with English. If me have to speak English now, like at the doctor office or where, but to be consistent speaking English, a country me grew up in, you know, bush, when no light, no water, no road, no day. So me is a patois person. Don't in a Clarendon bush me born, and me is a straight patois person. Nobody look on the face and think say I'm a patois me talk. A patois me talk. Straight patois. Is what I say? So we just want you to get it. But anyways, big up yourself, white man. Get you. You know? I feel good when the man reach out to me and say, you know, he watch my video and I chew me attack. Reality me splitting at the video when it come on to, you know, some Jamaican woman. Yeah, some Jamaican woman and sugar and salt. Some of them are general and we make you ball. But them enjoyable. Because me is a woman, me know a whole heap of woman, me have a whole heap of friends. And, you know, me see their potential. When they love you, them treat you good as a woman and treat them man good. You know, once them man take care of them. Not everyone, you know. Don't get me wrong, but when you find a good one, treat her with dignity and respect, man. Yeah. Not violate the woman and like, you know, go on a road and come wrap up with the woman, disrespect the woman them way. They're like, come on, man. Come on. Anyways, guys, I'm just up on fire for all a reason we don't know. And telling the same. I feel good about the white man who reach out to me on Instagram. Bless up on yourself. My Instagram name is the same name as my YouTube name, Dana Be Life. That is my Instagram page. Okay, over there you will see me have picture of my kids, them, you know, picture of my family. Even though I'm out to clean it up, you know, and delete some of the old time picture them, guys. Sometimes you need certain pictures. So many pictures on Instagram. You have too much picture on Instagram. I'll cut it down a little bit. but enough love. And don't forget to like, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you don't already subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. These videos are not filtered. Same like how I do them as some I upload them. I just don't go live, because you know sometimes you might go live and sometimes me might go say something I not say on YouTube, and then me I practice my video them for talk to another way that when I go live, I know some I can talk. And I'm shy. Well, I want to cut out that word there. Stop saying me shy. I want to stop say these things, because sometimes you speak things into being and we need to cut that out. You know, no matter how me say me used to say me not have no. You don't know what me attack, right? But stop say that now. You see, if somebody call me and ask me hate, I have to tell them say me not have no. For the past couple of years now, me say sometimes it's like it just come out, you know, randomly, but I'm aware of it in my head so much that me not even want to say, because sometimes you see them, I thought this all the time, you see the tongue, it's very powerful, and you speak things into being in your life. And this is what we need to stop though. We need to start manifest and speak the things that we want in our life, Stop speak things what we don't want in our life. And say, oh, like when we just used the word a while ago. Me tell myself someone, stop use the word, because you speak things into being. So certain things, you have to be careful. One of the other thing is, me don't want nobody call me black. Me not black, look on my skin. Me don't know nobody wear black. I never see nobody have this color. Never. In my life. Even on picture. They never have this color. Look at me. Me not shade myself as no black. Me no black. Me don't know nobody wear black either. So anybody want call themselves that are for their business. Me no want nobody call me that. Me want cut it out as well. When you look on, me think say, you forgot look up the meaning of this color, black. Look up the meaning of it and stop calling yourself black. I don't think the meaning of black it's like you degrade yourself. Yeah. To me, it's like you degrade yourself. Me I go do some research into it. Might come back here with a video about it, but me not use it that often. But me I go stop use it, because when you look at me don't look like this. When you look at all of my kids, them as much as all my son have a dark chocolate color, him don't look like this. So me far from it, and me not call myself this again, because this is something dark. Is something, the color, I don't think it is positive. So I'm not call myself that no more. Okay? People might disagree with me, that's okay. But my brown skin, and me will take it as that. Okay? Love you guys, and hope you like this video. I'm not enjoy the video too long, but big up on a nice, clean self. One love, unity, strength, power, upliftment, rise up. I have so much topic when I want to talk about. Little me we drop them one by one, but me read the message by Instagram and say I come do a little video. Even though the video play all long now, and we just want to big up the man. I say big up on yourself. Everybody who like the video, but him definitely inbox me about the video, so that's why I'm gonna come on here and big him up. Anybody will inbox me about video, big you up too. Big on up. You know, me not get none good while now, but my friends them will call me and give me a topic, and we talk about the topic. How me feel about it, me expressing it my way. But that's it. Big up on yourself, enough love. One man to make goodie.